Okay, by the way, you didn't know who that was? That was the old super at West Point Gaming. Ted the Turk.
First,
Mr. the Turk.
Dr. the Turk.
When he was there. Sorry.
So we're doing the trackpad replacement on an old white MacBook. First, we're going to unscrew the back. For this, you're going to need a PH0.
And then you're going to plug your computer in so it doesn't die.
Yeah, my other computer's dying. This one, as you can see, the screen, this back popped up a little bit, so it might be harder to take out. So just peel that off. Does no harm. Gonna take it off anyway. There are 8 screws on this total. And this part. Super easy. Then, voila! We're gonna need a different size screwdriver because these are tiny. Maybe. Oh, no, same size. Woo! Trackpad looks like it has 4 screws total. 2 are right next to each other, and the other 2 are right next to those. And then, I don't even know, man. This isn't even the trackpad yet. It's the little casing over it, isn't it? I would just keep twisting these bad boys, like, over and over and over. Because they're so tiny, you can't tell when you actually get them out. Okay. And then there's this little... There's this little thing right here you have to undo, it looks like. Where do you think that goes? That? Oh, yep. Easy as pie right there. And then there's a little adhesive on it, so don't worry, it's not gonna break it.
Okay.
Then you
Open the
just
screen up and push it down.
slides out.
Just like that.
Ta-da! Trackpad's out. And this is when you would get a new one and put it in there, but we don't have a new one for it, so I'm just gonna roll with the punches. And just repeat the process in reverse. So I'll do my little silver screws first that are super tiny, even for my little fingers. I'm gonna screw those bad boys back in. I think I was turning the wrong way. Oops. I can't even feel them in my hand. That's how tiny they are. They're so small little screws. Oh man. I'll be here Monday. I won't be here Monday either. We don't have class.
But we don't have class?
On Monday we don't.
For what?
Because it's Easter or whatever break.
Good. That's gonna be gone.
Monday we don't need it.
That's gonna be gone.
Yeah.
I'll be Tuesday.
Okay. That's fine.
But we'll be down after.
You'll be here Tuesday.
State journalism.
Journalism, you said?
Yeah.
Dang. And don't forget to pop this bad boy back in. He should just slide right in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Apply the adhesive back. And then we put the back on, and then that's all. And you put your screws back in, and that's it.